If CapCut is showing a server error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get the app working again quickly. This is a common issue, and most of the time it comes down to network restrictions, corrupted cache, or a security app blocking the connection. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, check your network connection. A lot of the time, CapCut server errors happen because your internet provider, router, or current network is blocking part of the connection CapCut needs. So, start by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're already on Wi-Fi, turn it off and try mobile data instead. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and test again. If possible, try a different Wi-Fi network altogether, like a hotspot or another home network, because some ISP routers can restrict access to CapCut servers without you realizing it. Once you change the connection, reopen CapCut and see if the server error is gone. Sometimes just changing networks refreshes the connection and fixes the problem instantly. If CapCut loads normally on one network but not another, then you found the cause. In that case, you may need to adjust your router settings, restart your modem, or continue using the network that works best with CapCut. Next, let's clear the app cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and cause loading issues, login problems, or server errors inside the app. To do this, open CapCut and go to the menu. From there, tap Settings, then look for cache size. This removes temporary files without deleting your projects, and it can often fix glitches that stop CapCut from connecting properly. After clearing the cache, fully close CapCut and open it again. Give it a few seconds to reconnect and check whether the error message is still there. If the app feels faster or loads better, that's a good sign the cache was the issue. If not, don't worry, we still have one more important fix to try. Now, temporarily turn off your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software can mistakenly block CapCut from reaching its servers, especially if it thinks the app is making an unsafe connection. If you have antivirus software installed on your device, pause it briefly and then try opening CapCut again. On Windows, your firewall settings can also interfere with app connections, so check whether CapCut is being restricted there as well. A quick reminder, only turn off your antivirus or firewall long enough to test the app, and always turn it back on afterward. If CapCut works while the security software is disabled, then you know that's what was causing the server error. At that point, you can go into your antivirus or firewall settings and whitelist CapCut instead of leaving protection off permanently. So to recap, if you want to fix the CapCut server error, first check your network by switching between Wi-Fi, mobile data, or another connection. Then clear the app cache from Menu, Settings and Cache Size. And finally, test whether antivirus or firewall software is blocking the app servers. These 3 steps solve the issue for a lot of users. If this video helped you fix CapCut, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing and app troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.